I've noticed someone's been like scraping, and yeah, we'll find out that. I don't know how this has happened. But... Yeah. Turn your window up. Huh? Turn your window up, you stand. Oh yeah. Look at that then, eh? He's gonna be so pissed. Right, so what's on, people? I've done a video in a while, but it's a very exciting video tonight because Chris has got his new car right here, which I'm gonna get some sick shots of in a minute, and we'll do some bits of the Meg as well. So, before we start anything, let me just show you what Chris has got now. Yeah, what are we saying about this, boys? Naughty. Anyway, I'm going to let this, because this car is going to be going on the global page, so on the global YouTube channel. So if you want more of this, because I know a lot of you boys are Honda fanboys from one EP3, if you want to see this shit, hit the Global Motors YouTube, because we're going to be posting a lot of this on the Global Motors YouTube. We'll do first drives with Chris, we'll do flybys of it all. He's going to build the engine in it and everything as well, so he's got way more plan for it. But for you Honda lovers, keep an eye on the Global Motors YouTube page for this one. So, I got my car back properly from Aaron doing a few little bits the other day. And on the way home, I put a little bit of boost for it, I want to give it a go. And we blew boost hose, clean off. You could probably, I don't know if it's going to pick it up. Is it going to pick it up well or not? I might be able to see it, there you go. Right there, so we've blown that one straight off, going to get it back on. And hopefully get some door cards on today from Track Car door cards, because that looks sick. Right, I've noticed someone's been like scraping, and yeah, we'll find out that. I don't know how this has happened, but I really don't know how this has happened because it's come straight off. Oh, I'm gonna have to take all these off. That's not good news. Yeah, heat shield, mate, all my heat shields have just decided to let go.
Nah, don't worry about that, mate.
Yeah, just all of them. They've come. They've ripped them right off the brackets as well. I don't know how that's happened.
Mate, each shield's a myth.
Each shield's a myth.
Yeah.
So before we actually move on to what Ryan's doing, check out Chris's. He loves his trance. But anyway, let's get on with it. So, moving on to this bit right here. So Ryan is actually checking out the boost. Obviously, we all know he's got a boost leak problem. Ryan's diagnosed that, but he's also found that the mounting brackets for my intercooler itself weren't properly on. So he's gone ahead, took everything apart, made up some new brackets, made sure the intercooler is dead straight and everything's all sweet. And it's all absolutely lovely. He's also checking for any other problems, if he can move the boost pipes around, anything like that, but pretty much Ryan's got it bang on. So that pretty much now brings us on to this point right here. Alright, well Ryan has sorted out the boost pipe as best it can be. And you're right.
Try to.
He likes his beard. Why is it not focusing on him?
No, because I'm
there you go, now it's focusing. Can't even get you on camera because your fucking beard's too big. Anyway, that's sorted. Although we're only running 10 psi wastegate pressure, and just probably going to still come off. But and the exhaust heat shields are back on and sweet. So I'm going to have a bash now at doing these door cards. If anyone didn't know, I'll leave a link on the bottom here. Track car door cards. It's just went for ABS plastic because I don't want to get carbon or anything like that. Just looks a bit more OEM. So I'm going to have a go bash, put these in. See how we get on. Yeah. Turn your window up. Huh? Turn your window up, you stand. Oh yeah. Smash. Better put that one up.
No, don't. Let the LBTV followers fucking see it.
Thanks, Alex, mate.
That would have been funny. To be fair, you probably will get a decent payout from fucking your YouTube channel.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
You're just going to punch through the outer skin of the door now?
Yeah, we took the outer skin off as well.
Shut up, you cunts.
Yeah, no.
I found a piece of paper.
Right, you got a bigger drill bit?
Eh?
Bigger drill bit?
Oh.
Oh.
Is that a drill bit?
No.
Is that the speaker?
It's a speaker.
Instead of drilling it?
It's probably not a good idea I ever touch a drill again either as well, because I've obliterated Ryan's poor drill bit. He's gonna watch this and be pissed. But I mean, look at the state of that. Look at that then, eh?
He's going to be so pissed.
Not good. Basically, there is a fitting kit that comes with this right there, but being that we don't always have the facilities for this stuff, we went with the old Riv. Is it a Riv gun? What's that? What gun's that?
Riddler.
It's a Riddler. The Rizzler. Rizzler the Riddler. Rizzler the Riddler.
It's a rivet, you swat.
A rivet gun. Yeah, but I know there's different types of rivet guns, isn't there?
It's just a rivet.
There's a rivet gun.
It's a rivet.
Shows what I know about this shit, innit? I'm probably dumb as fuck with cars. I am dumb as fuck with cars. This is bad, isn't it? So basically, you'll see there's quite a few more holes than there usually is on these. But we've if the owner of Track Car Door Car sees this, I'm sorry. I've probably fucked your product right up. But it started off quite well at the top here.
Look at that one there.
And then there's, this here. That is what, that because of that, well basically because of that drill bit that's over there, that's absolutely gone now. It's caused this monstrosity. Look at that. I mean, I can't even fill that in or anything with that. So we're stuck in out that. It's just all go. I mean, everything works because like, beyond this, I should have shown you all really what was going on, but it was just doing me in that much. So, oh yeah, it's about, what time is it? 20 past 12 at night.
What do you want?
Oh, here he is.
How was you?
It's on, Ryan. I got some bad news for you, Ryan.
Bad news, what have you fucked?
Wow. Drill and bit.
Drilling a bit. Well, they're expensive drill bits now, mate.
How much are they?
£1 million to you.
So with that, do you go look at it?
It's in 2 pieces now, right?
That's standard, mate.
Where'd you get these drill bits from anyway?
What ones was it? Terex ones, they're off the Mac, man.
Mac man?
Yeah.
Well, we should maybe buy some Snap-on man from now on then.
Nah, mate, it's not warranty. They're more
Don't torment him. He's already don't kick him out of his
So, Ryan, how do we go about sorting this situation out then?
Well, you're not using my good ones, that's why you let you use the cheap ones.
How's that cheap ones?
That's the cheaper ones.
That's not the that's not Mac Tools man then.
The Mac Tools ones are the cheaper ones.
How much are these then?
They're like 70 quid for a pack of whatever they were.
How many are they each?
I don't know, probably like 2-3 quid.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
That's right then. 2-3
Turn
quid.
to you, since you broke it.
Right, you lot, so it is 1:30 in the morning. Ryan actually gave me a hand. Good lad, Ryan. Gave me a hand and finished off the other door card. Right there, so there you go. Unfortunately, no fancy cinematics tonight. I've got to get my car ready and everything for a show that's going on this weekend at Offset, so I'm going to quickly finish off here now and end off the video. Well, I might give a few clips, nah. We're off the video now. It's been a nice little, quick, easy video. I know I haven't shown you a lot, but basically, I'll run you through quickly. Basically, if you're doing a McGann door card like this, when you put everything up, so I set it up with masking tape just to know where I could put the holes and where I wanted it and everything like that. Behind here on the pulley, where you basically detach the mechanism for the door handle, you've got to take the original door handle off, and then you've got to cut it with like a air saw. We use like a saw, air saw, whatever you want to use. You cut it down to where the actual pulley part is, if that's what you call it, and then you connect it onto the back. There's instructions of all of it, but I should have shown you. I apologise, my fault. It's just I'm trying to get things done. That's what I mean. My life's so hectic and everything like that. It's just, and Chris is out here getting photos of his tags. He's got his new lights on. See, sort of see. But yeah, that's that. This car needs a proper good clean. This shit, Ollie. I need to get a lot of this out for the show and everything, and the boost pipe's done now. The no noises from the exhaust. shields. Hopefully it holds up, although I'm only running about 10 psi. I've added some more gold heat tape around the reservoir shield. So this is all tape from Funk Motorsport as always, guys, so check them out if you haven't already. Good quality stuff this, no dramas, no issues with it whatsoever, really good stuff. Obviously their heat turbo shields and blankets and everything, these are just on another level. Like when the car has been driven for ages and you can touch this afterwards, the fact that you can even touch it and hold your hand on it, if it's got all that heat resonating from it, is just unbelievable. But we're gonna end off there. Like I said, if you want to see more of Chris's Integra, check out, it's going to be on the Global Motors YouTube channel, that will be coming up in the future. But thanks for watching today's video. If you've enjoyed it, slap a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'll link the door cards in the description down below if you want to check it out. He does absolutely tons of them. It was really fiddly and I was really struggling, and I've never really done this before. So I was like, mate, I can't put this up, but I've added a few extra holes and Ryan has as well, and Ryan's helped out, and it's been, yeah, so hopefully the car should be all good. We've got things going on next weekend, but yeah, apart from that guys, I'll catch you all in the next one.